Advanced intelligence analysis takes us beyond basic fact gathering. At this level, we're not just collecting evidence, we're synthesizing it. We're combining data, intuition, and technical rigor to produce a coherent, defensible narrative that explains what happened, why it happened, and what systemic vulnerabilities allowed it to happen. This is where investigations become truly intelligence-led. Intelligence fusion is the first part of this advanced style. Fusion means integrating different streams of information: human intelligence, digital evidence, physical and environmental data, into one unified picture. When fusion is done well, investigators gain informational superiority over the case. We blend human testimony with objective paper trails like email headers, system logs, and financial records. Modern review platforms make this easier by pulling chat logs, mobile data, cloud storage, and documents into a single system where visual analytics can highlight covert links across thousands of files. In technical investigations, fusion also means correlating static characteristics of code with its dynamic behavior on a network to detect sophisticated threats. Sensemaking is the next component. Sensemaking is the effort to find structure in chaos to turn raw data into a meaningful narrative. Advanced investigators distinguish between puzzles, which have fixed answers, and mysteries, which require interpretation. We use multiple working hypotheses to explore all plausible explanations and avoid tunnel vision. Experienced investigators rely on an investigative nose, an instinctive ability to organize fact patterns and spot anomalies. We assign truth values between 0 and 1 to different components of a hypothesis, eliminating any hypothesis whose critical component is proven false. And we use Genshi Genbutsu Go and See for Yourself to verify that digital artifacts and witness accounts match the physical environment. The final component is decision support. Our job is to give stakeholders clarity so they can take lawful, proportionate action without us stepping into the role of judge. We maintain strict segregation of duties. Investigators find facts. Leadership makes decisions. Decision logs document why certain tactical choices were made, allowing someone outside the investigation to understand the reasoning behind each step. We also apply the Globe and Mail test, asking whether a proposed action is necessary, effective, and acceptable in the eyes of policy, law, and the public. Modern case management dashboards give leadership real-time intelligence, helping them monitor workloads, detect emerging trends, and identify high-risk hotspots. Advanced intelligence analysis transforms investigations from reactive fact-finding into strategic tools that strengthen organizational integrity and prevent future harm. It is where evidence becomes insight, and insight becomes defensible action.